A beautiful wardrobes can dramatically elevate a bedroom interior by serving as much more than a just storage. Also, it becomes a focal point, a statement piece, and a unifying element that ties the entire room together. So, friends, in this video, I'm going to share the latest price for making the wardrobes and what are the points to consider before making the wardrobe for your bedroom. A well-designed wardrobes not only enhance the bedroom interior but also it can instantly draws the eyes and gives the bedroom a personality. Also, it can replace the need of additional wall art or headboarding because the wardrobe itself becomes the art. So, friends, it improves our proportions and balance for a tall floor to ceiling wardrobe adds a height and makes the low ceiling rooms feel grandeur. Also, built-in fitted wardrobes create the clean lines and make the small or awkwardly shaped bedrooms look larger and more unique. So, friends, beautiful doesn't means the impractical because today premium wardrobes combine aesthetic with smart storage, pull-out shoe racks, velvet lined, even the jewelry drawers, integrated lightings, mirrors, interiors, etc. Also, it set the design style of the entire room because a carved wooden wardrobe with traditional molding classic gives a beautiful look for your house. So, friends, now we're going to discuss about that which are the best materials for a wardrobe because there may be a lots of confusion in a mind that which are the best material for making a wardrobe. So, which should we select? So, in this video, I'm going to clear all your doubts. So, first, talk about there are the two or three more best wooden materials are available like teak wood, shisham, and for if you want to go with the engineering wood, one of the most best wood is in plywood, which is overall the best choice for making the wardrobes. Don't go with the particle board because it is a cheap option, but it looks tempting because of the low price, but durability is very poor. So if it gets even a little bit wet, it swells and gets ruined quickly. So avoid if you want something long lasting. So don't use the particle board for your wardrobes or for any furnitures. So friends, my option is plywood, which is overall the best choice. And in a plywood also there are the three main types are available like MR plywood, which is moisture resistant. It is a budget friendly, good for bedrooms where there is no water contact. And another one is a BWR, which we call boiling water resistance. It is better than the MR, slightly more water resistant and stronger. And another is BWP plywood, which we call a boiling waterproof. It is the top quality used in kitchens or damp areas, extremely strong, but it is little bit costly. So friends, if you are can expense your money, so use a BWP where absolutely needed like bathrooms or kitchens. For bedrooms, go with the MR or BWR plywood is more than enough and saves your money. So friends, always making the wardrobe you should remember some important points like always the inside structure decide how easy or difficult it will be to use for daily. So like hanging section for shirts, suits, dresses, shelves, drawers. So some people makes a big mistake like adding too many drawers. Drawers look nice but they can increase the cost a lot of because expensive hardware and extra labor charges. So one of the my Smart tip is give maximum space to shelves and hanging rods. Use only 2 to 4 drawers as needed. This saves us thousand of rupees and still keeps everything organized. So friends, for depth, because it is most important matter more than you think. So never compromise on depth. So ideal depth which is 2 feet for clothes hang perfectly, shutters close easily. So if space is less, go with 18 to 20 inches is acceptable. But don't go with the below 18 inches because clothes will be crushed, hangers won't fit properly and shutters won't close smoothly. So always measure properly before finalizing. So friends, another thing is the real beauty of your wardrobe comes from the finish of the shutters. So and common and the best option for is laminate, which is most popular and budget friendly options. Thousand of colors and textures are available. Also, it is low maintenance and scratch resistant, and it is long lasting. Best choice for the most people. Another one is acrylic sheet, super glossy, which is modern look, slightly more expensive than laminate, but it needs more care. So, friends, for 90% of people, laminate are the sweetest spot between looks, cost, and durability. So, friends, for making the wardrobe, it will cost almost 1100 rupees per square feet with the laminate finish. So, friends, you can this way you can calculate your wardrobe price. So, suppose your wardrobe size is height will be almost 8 feet and your width will be 5 feet. So the total area of the wardrobe is 40 square feet. So you can multiply this 40 into 1100 rupees. So the total price will come is 44,000 for 8 by 5 wardrobe. So this is the way you can calculate that how much it will cost for you. So friends, there may be a little bit of price changes. It totally depends upon the quality of material. So and the location where the labor charges is also little bit of different. So friends, I hope that this video will help you to make a beautiful wardrobe design in a budget. So if you want more details, you can ask me in the comment section or you can contact through my mail id which I given in the description. So friends, if you like my videos, then please subscribe to channel. Please like this video, share with your friends, and thank you for watching. Thank you once again.